What's up, everybody? My name is Tree Perfect. Today I'll be unboxing my new fidget spinner. Y'all can read it yourself because y'all ain't blind or something. I'm joking. I'll unbox it, but before I unbox it, I want y'all to do the like spike. If we can do a like spike, if I reach 15 likes, I'll give away a lot of these, a lot of fidget spinners, and if, like different colors like pink, blue, red, white, black, and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is 502.dallas. It's me holding up money, and I'll leave in the link in the description below. Follow my friend Rowan Love WWE and underscore NBA underscore. I'll leave in the link in the description below, and let's unbox this. Subscribe to my channel if y'all are here. Do a like spike. 3, 2, 1. Like spike. Best like spike ever that we could ever do. My next video will be like doing tricks and stuff. I ended on the edge. Thanks again. See y'all guys in the next day.